Hi, this is Frank, sales coordinator here at Dry Guys Basement Systems in Woodstown, New Jersey. Today we're going to talk about wall anchor systems. A wall anchor system is a galvanized steel anchor that is embedded in your virgin soil around your home. Virgin soil is that soil that has been untouched and never excavated. When they build your home, they dig a hole and that is backfilled. The virgin soil is the fill outside of that. So it's about 12, 15, 16 feet away from your house. So you want to put the anchors in virgin soil because that's going to give you your best opportunity to hold that wall in place. If you do it in loose backfill soil, it just won't hold and the anchor will actually come through with the steel plate. The galvanized steel anchors are anchored to steel wall plates in your home via a steel rod that is pushed through the soil. The wall anchor system will hold your wall in place without any need of further adjustment. However, we do recommend having your wall adjusted, and if you do so, do it during a dry period.